Globally, the methods by which products are designed and manufactured are advancing at a rapid pace just before our very eyes. I am Rahul Rai, Associate Professor in the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department at University at Buffalo, SUNY. The current period, known as Industry 4.0, is realizing a transformation from manual to digital operations, and it has significance to manufacturers throughout the world. We are in the era of digital manufacturing and design, or DMD. This course was developed to introduce you to the concept of intelligent machining, or IM, and what IM means within the context of digital manufacturing and design paradigm. Processes previously monitored and controlled by humans are now being controlled and monitored by smart sensors and actuators in this new generation of manufacturing. Intelligent machines use sensors and data to determine various aspects of manufacturing processes to maximize operations efficiency. The outcome? High productivity, high quality, significant improvements to manufacturing processes, enhanced communication among stakeholders, smarter decisions, shorter product life cycles, and superior data interoperability. Let's explore how data-driven machine learning algorithms can help detecting problems in complex and uncertain manufacturing environments. We have made significant progress in manufacturing, and intelligent machining signifies how automation can benefit those in the industry. Reiterating the mantra of this specialization, it's having the right information in the right place and at the right time. We will see how intelligent machining can help make companies more agile, more productive, and more competitive. When you finish this course, you will be able to recognize why intelligent machining is an integral part of the digital manufacturing paradigm. You will be able to state components required to enable the intelligent machining in manufacturing workflow. And finally, you will have the basics to enable you to participate in planning and execution of an intelligent machining project in an industrial setting. Let's embrace the new opportunities technology brings to manufacturing as we explore intelligent machining in this course of the Digital Manufacturing and Design Technology Specialization.